Good morning Vietnam. For today's vlog, we are going to where? Gucci? Gucci Tanang. See you there mga langga.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you! Ilang park dire guys kay na mag-exercise, na mag-jogging, pero laking sila mga flower guys. Flowers not like sa ubang city na ako naadtuan. Na sila sprinkler sa ilang plants. Pero wala mga buwak. Muna ang Ho Chi Minh City. Pupunta mi sa among tour ni Laura. Kanang mag-tour mi ato sa tunnel. Pero si Joshua ni Kuya to sa hotel natulog pa. So time check here is 7 o'clock in the morning. And it's still a very nice day. Okay, for now, see you and bye-bye everyone. Thank you sa mga nag-watch sa akong channel o sa ako ang mga post and videos. God bless everyone. Oh my God! Look at the traffic here. I remember Manila. Manila. Grabe guys, naghanang motor. Nagkayo sakyanan pero mga motor daghan. Jogging sila, jogging. Nag-exercise dire guys sa park, nag-park dire. Good morning Vietnam. We are on our way to our trip, to our tour sa tunnel ug unsa pa na diha. So tanawa ang mga video sa future ng mga lakaw na diri karon nag-park mi kay nag-pick up sa mga passenger. Hotel Laura Marais. We are going to our hotel o kanang may number na cellphone di ato lipat-lipat rami guys. Lipat rami. Ano ko ilok oy. This is where we walked yesterday. Oh, it was not here. Oh, trees everywhere, and they all exercise. Healthy lifestyle. Full all trees. Ah, there's flowers there.
So Vietnam word today, okay? So that means if you not understand me something, you can ask me. Ask me repeat. Right. Chitano does mean the one district belong to Ho Chi Minh City. Only the one district that belong to Ho Chi Minh City. It is far from center about 65 kilometers. Cui Chitano is the famous in Vietnam world. But the Cui Chitano not battlefield. Cui Chitano is just a place that common people are guerrilla. They hide an enemy in Vietnam world. They make some kind of drug. We made it by bamboo, we made it by bombshell in the wartime. And Vietnam war does mean a history. For you understand everything in Vietnam, so I want to give for you a little bit information about Vietnam war. Or you can understand the most about, because the Vietnamese people, we understand carefully. What happened caused by all of us, we are honest, right? We need the people for traveling, for study, for working. Nobody want to work happen. Right. So everybody need the reason I want to do my everybody never misunderstanding. Few minutes later when I write channel I talk a little bit about Vietnam history. Yeah. But today, and before I talk anything about Vietnam war, if you answer my question, I offer the 41 cup of Vietnamese coffee. Everybody, have you ever drink Vietnamese coffee before? Yeah. If you answer, find soldier. But after the 1954, and so Vietnamese people will find not where to come from.
Oh, me, India.
India.
Kerala.
Okay, I got Kerala.
Tapioca.
Yeah, tapioca.
15 triệu đủ mà đi cái quả mà bình minh á, đúng không? Đi lên sờ hòn đá, chụp hình hòn đá đó.
Here we make painting lacquer, model for level lacquer, and extra level lacquer. Step by step from the wood body to the final product here, we just make by hand, no machine here. So follow me, I will show you how the handicap worker can do. This way, please. I want to show you about the design of Vietnam. This is traditional dress of Vietnam. Name áo dài. Áo means short and dài means long. The long shirt like this, inlaid with eggshell, seesaw, and hand painting together. You can see that we only use hand painting. So you know machine for scanning or printing. So when it finished, it's very different and cannot looking for something exactly the same. We make the rosewood inside. The most strong one in Vietnam can be with different weather, and we cover 24 layers of lacquer so that we custom for the country. So next step, I will show you how they inlay eggshell and seesaw. This way, please. Thế này sẽ có 3 bước là vẽ tay, cộng chúng với là cưỡng xà cừ. To inlay eggshell step, we only use duck egg. Don't use chicken egg because duck egg is stronger and thicker than chicken egg. The brownie burning color and the white natural color. We buy the eggshell from one we buy here. So you can see that we break the eggshell one by one until it break and stick on the wood with lacquer oil. The lacquer oil made from lacquer. We layer of lacquer, then polishing by water to make it smooth. And next step, inlay seesaw. This way, please.
Eggshell kay duck shell kuno kay gahi.
No, they use the duck shell because it's better.
They use the duck shell daw kay it's better than the eggshell.
Today seesaw model part, we only use big shell like this because got a beautiful color and very strong. Can you see the rainbow color?
Yes.
One of the way how to know which one is the real one, depending on the rainbow color like this. Like this. In the more tricky step here, we need to be careful. So after getting the detail, we stick it together and then inlay on the wood. We like the oil, like the extra step, if I work not smooth, so we need to. Before polishing, we need to cover many layers of lacquer. So this one has a black color like this, and then we have 3 times for polishing. Paper. So after polish, the eggshell and seesaw are smooth right now. You can touch and feel again. Very different one. So after
Also, once you give more than half the money, 60% of the money
this way, please. Lemon juice, hot water into the water together. Cover a little bit on top of the picture, then shine it by hand until shiny. So the picture is shiny and smell like this right now. And the reason why we use the hand because the video and after, looks different, right? Everything here we don't sell outside, don't sell online. We just sell and display here for who come and know the value of the handmade wear. So what you like, you can buy for a souvenir. Because if you buy the product here, 60% of the money will go to support the handicap worker here, but not compulsory. You like and you buy. So now welcome to the showroom. We have a lot of design inside, but no camera, no photo inside. Please get everything in showroom is unique, but you can touch everything in the showroom. No
Okay.
pictures, no camera.